Why do families have similar characteristics? All families have similar physical characteristics. These characteristics are in your genes. You have your mom's and dad's genes. You are similar to your mom and dad. Luke's parents have curly hair. Luke also has curly hair. Their eyes are brown. Luke's eyes are also brown. Lena's dad and mom are short. Lena is short too. Her mom has freckles, and Lena has freckles too. We are all different and unique. Tall, short, with brown or green eyes, red, blonde, or black hair. But we are also similar. We are all people. Differences make the world wonderful.